Thank you very much. My name is Professor Al-Hassan Suleiman Anamzoya. I'm here with a few of my team members. We are the Legon lecturers and professionals for KEN. We are here this morning to present a petition to United Nations of the party to express our concern about some issues that have happened over the past few days within the party. So, as I mentioned, this group is a group of lecturers, that's academics, and professionals, including accountants, engineers, architects, surveyors, within Legon and beyond. And we are all NPP people. And beyond being NPP, we are also committed to seeing Honorable Ken as the next party leader and the next president of the council. So when we came this morning, the main mission is to present a petition to the secretary, which has been done. The party has received it with a copy of the petition. And so that's why we are.
What's the content of the petition? What does it seek to achieve?
Now, the petition has one simple message, though fairly elaborated, that over the past few days, we have been listening and seeing Chairman Abronye of Bono region lambasting, ridiculing, insulting our candidate, the person of Honorable Kennedy agyapong. We feel that the party has been quiet for too long, and that we have indicated in the petition that it's not about Ken we are fighting for necessarily. We are fighting for unity in the party, fighting for peace in the party, and that the way the party is quiet, and I mean the party national leadership is quiet, national process are quiet. We are disturbed that silence and quietness is disturbing, and that they have to call Abronye to order, the minimum, call him to order for the sake of the peace of the party. I mean, we are asking questions why the party is silent, and we are wondering, supposing others start to attack Abronye's candidate, how would it be like? I mean, nobody's happy to attack anybody's candidate. Market your candidate, and we all go and see how the Congress will go. But if you start to attack our candidate and nobody is speaking about it, and we think that that is not good for the party, we have the right as MPP people or MPP activists to speak about it.
So you just want him to be called to order, or you also are suggesting sanctions against him?
For now, we are asking that it should be called to order. You know, you start gradually. We want to hear from the party. We've not given them deadline, but we are very optimistic that the party would look at the petition carefully. We have copied the chairman of the National Committee and the Council of Elders. We have copied them, and we believe in their wisdom that they will be able to call him to order for now.
One would say that Kennedy agyapong is known for using strong words against his opponents, and some are arguing that he's just getting a taste of his own medicine, don't you think?
Okay, so if we're going to agree to what you have said, and then we consider that content, is that the best? I asked the question rhetorically, not that for you to answer. But if we assume Ken is using harsh words on people, and therefore it's time to pay him back, is that the best?
Why don't you also call him to order?
Yes, and we have mentioned in the petition. Thank you very much. Now we have also urged him to stay calm. It's in our document. Yeah.
Right. Thank you.
The new Professor Al-Hassan Suleiman Anamzoya, chairman of the Legon lecturers and professionals.
Honorable Ken or potential flag bearer and my MPP. I am transnational young.
The very soon now grassroots for a gene to know the party anymore. Now some yet Yama party he said, if I had do party couple and the company. So say ye be in a train ya be man a crown namun Susana. As a party. So says so Miss Yan is also respond there. Now couple man California preaching, then be paid. Can pay a buyer at the petition bread general secretary. A copy penny for be brave. So my dear check. They are sure many so make can be. I knew about my family for Abronye, Subana Namo to. I mean, what you break? That's a baby I will do yet. And yes, I soon war. I'm from so honorable cannot what Tissimo. I'm one party in Kanko. I ended be a person be a prepare your any Kanko. And it's a buyer a petition I throw, Musa. Yes, penny for say, why a dear chair. And it is from one woman and almost can be. Now, no original chairman, Sebio, and I'm all to know. I'm one part in Kabum on Castle. Sansan, here you know, Kabum Nadade, Yepe, and it's a buyer, and it's a buyer. A biom soup. A car petition is honorable council, a shining price, a lesson. They said, baby, we're doing a queen in Godo. And it's Yano, a man in one, since they said, Nipa Vibration, Nipa Addon. And then she said, away, dear, the truth, Bempah, a man in Casa. The morning I hear a dancer say, "Yana ya tanaching, yes, you have press with it. On some practice, and okay, not the all can say. A house that is divided cannot stand alone. Yes, son say, on trust to now I'm keeping it calm. A OGD say, as somebody did 2 penny for enemy. I mean, or maybe I found, send a bear party in Kabul, the very pay. Yes, sir, na yes, sir, NPP no. Ya could defeat him, ya could and Kabum in a break. It's the ever sent penny for almost can be. Send a bear, you know, I bear my family back for Abronye, and I'm all to or the baby. I don't say, me and friend Oliver, me make Kasama Ekuonaba, as the only doing the Legon lecturers and professionals for Ken.
The infighting is not only about Ken. We were first of all NPP before Ken became, expressed desire to run as a flag bearer. So we're asking for a common good for the party, not only for Ken. If today, for instance, we all keep the insults from Ken's camp, from other people's camp, and then we get destroyed and cannot unite ourselves, and then how can we fight the common enemy? And I mean NDC. So the better we stop all these internal insults and come together and be united, the earlier we do this, the better for all of us as a party. Thank you.
It was a phone. How's it? The phone. How's it? So all the someone in the English, you know, the answer.